Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to download Candy Crush Saga application on your iOS device. To download the Candy Crush Saga app on iOS, first of all open the App Store from your app drawer on your iOS device. Once you open your App Store, tap the search button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type in Candy Crush Saga. After typing down Candy Crush Saga, look for this application. Tap on the Get button right underneath the app. If you've downloaded it before, you might be able to see the cloud icon instead of Get. Tap on it to start your download process. You might also need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start up with the download process. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will then be able to download the application on your device. Just make sure that your device has enough storage and is connected to the internet. Once it is done, tap on the Open button and you will then be able to open Candy Crush Saga on your iOS device and start playing. That is how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorial videos like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.